welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute someone on Telegram for 2 hours using the latest app version. This is perfect if you want a short break from notifications without completely silencing the chat forever. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see all your chats. Next, go to the conversation you want to mute. Simply tap on the chat to open it. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots there. Tap on those 3 dots to open more options. A small menu will appear with several settings related to that chat. From this list, tap on Mute. Now you'll see different mute duration options. Since we want to mute the chat temporarily, select Mute for 2 hours. As soon as you tap it, Telegram will instantly silence notifications from that conversation for the next 2 hours. That's it. Super simple. During this time, you won't receive any sound or vibration alerts from that chat, but messages will still arrive normally. You can check them whenever you want without being interrupted. After the 2-hour period ends, notifications will automatically turn back on, so you don't have to remember to re-enable anything. This feature is really useful when you're busy, in a meeting, studying, or just need some quiet time without missing messages completely. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of the app.